AI is everywhere right now, but for most organizations, the real challenge isn't access to AI tools. It's knowing how to actually use them in a way that creates value. That's exactly what the AI for Business Operations certificate is designed to solve. I'm Valerie Lockhart, one of the program designers and instructors for the AI for Business Operations certificate at CCAPS. This program is built for professionals who want to move beyond experimentation and start applying AI in a structured, practical way throughout their organization. Across 3 6-week courses, you'll build the skills to go from individual productivity to operational efficiency to leading AI adoption at an organizational level. We start with AI for productivity, where you learn how to use AI tools effectively in your day-to-day work. You'll build workflows, improve output quality, and understand how to use AI responsibly. From there, we move into AI for operational efficiency, where the focus shifts to your organization. You'll learn how to map workflows, identify bottlenecks, and determine where AI can actually improve processes in measurable ways. And finally, in Enterprise AI, Governance, Integration, and Scaling, we look at the bigger picture. How do you implement AI responsibly? How do you manage risk, design guardrails, and scale successful initiatives across teams? Throughout the program, everything is hands-on and applied. You're not just learning concepts, you're building real frameworks and strategies that you can take back to your organization immediately. By the end of the certificate, you'll be able to identify where AI fits, design workflows that work, measure impact, and lead adoption with confidence. If you're ready to move from trying AI to actually making it work, this program will give you the structure and tools to do exactly that. We hope to see you in the next class.